That's a 12 by 24 inch canvas. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Spring Hill, Florida. And I like a lot of the patterns and the colors in this, but I don't like the overall design. And I have some swipe cards and maybe some toothy tools. And I am planning on just sort of kind of ruining it because I love the effect I just got on another painting. No dog hairs allowed. And I'm going to try and pick places that seem like a good idea to me to add some black. In a sort of a random fashion. And then I'm going to add some colors. Some Abalone. Prizm Pour from Colour Arte. There's a 20% off coupon code underneath the video. And it's right there with the link to the website. Now the first color I was called to was the Abalone, but that's the Prizm Pour. This is Blue Velvet. And I'm not sure what I'll be adding, to tell you the truth. But if I just go for it, sometimes I'll become inspired. I probably will be using some cell activator. I'm definitely going to be adding some pink diamond. That was Royal Sapphire, another Prizm Pour. Definitely want some gold. I want to smooth out some of these black areas. It's Mayan black paint, so there's a chance that it will sell anyway, even without the cell activator. No guarantee though. I'm just going to go through and eradicate some areas, make some marks. Start a composition. I don't know where it's going, but we'll figure it out pretty quick, I hope. I'm feeling the call of some orange. But before I do that, I'm going to, well, maybe not before that. Maybe that's the first thing I'm going to do. I'm eradicating most of my white. My Abalone is becoming integrated into the black. So I have some sour lemon with a little bit of orange crush in it. And I'm probably going to use some pink diamond with it. But I also want to grab some of this orange crush out of here. I don't know how far or how fast I can do this, but I'm very interested in going to town. A little more pink over here, and come in with the gold. I kind of want to combine my Mayan gold with some of the white cell activator. We'll see. Let's just put some of that in there right now anyway. I wound up putting lines through similarly, but not until the very end last time. And I like the idea of starting by adding some. Okay, so I've got some purple cell activator. I think I'm just going to grab my swipe card. That one's too big. Let's use the one I already had without the dog hair. Oh, I like that with the gold. I don't mind if it becomes a little more abstract. And I share the colors from my card. With different areas. I don't particularly like it when I eradicate a color I wanted some of. But it's not beyond me to steal color from one place and put it in another either. I've got some P.E.s iridescent blue-green that's calling me. I'm inclined to turn this around so I can have a better view of it from the other side. But I still want to continue to move some things. That's very crooked. I used some midnight shadow last time and I really liked how it looked. Maybe I'll do that again. I want some paint in my dish to add some marks. Just sort of filling in, and it's instinctive, so it might take somebody else a little more time to get the hang of it, or not at all. You might just channel like I do. You never know until you try. So let's grab some of this white cell activator, even though it's on the black, which is kind of risky. I'm going to add a little bit of the Mayan gold, which is probably not enough cell activator, but I had so much of a reaction last time. I wanted to go rather easily. I'm feeling some red. I want some poinsettia. Yes, I think that's gonna, I'm gonna like that a lot. Probably gonna add some pink to that. Put some more white in this composition also. Let's try the Abalone. Go back to the pink. Actually, I've got some plum blossom that's a new frosted sorbet, and I might want to use some of that. I haven't known what to do with this painting for the longest time. It's just been sitting in my studio taunting me. I'm going to try some of this P.E.s iridescent blue-green I was talking about earlier. Yeah, that's a papa. That's really nice. I don't know what color it'll turn when I put it next to something like poinsettia, but I'm still having a ball. I need to wipe off my card and I didn't do it. I'm going to put some of this plum blossom in also. I didn't put any of that midnight shadow in, and I still want to. I kind of want to grab some black cell activator, and I have some. I'm a little nervous about it. I don't know why. Whoops. Well, that was interesting. I like to leave, if I'm going to take and pull some of the color, I like to leave some of it behind. Sometimes at least. And I love what happens with the Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green and Pink. It turns a beautiful blue, generally speaking. Sorry, I'm all out of square. I keep threatening that midnight shadow and not doing it. And I'm going to. I am liking what I'm seeing though. Midnight shadow. Midnight shadow. I want to go easy though. Maybe I'll leave some lines. As in, not swiping them. I don't mind the little puddles of paint. I quite like them, actually. This is the ultimate giving of permission to do whatever. Now there's my cell activator. I'm going to clean off my card. That's a lot of cell activator. Let's see what happens. I want some gold. That's the Mayan gold again. Oh, we got some nice cells. I'm liking what that poinsettia looks like. Adjusted. Not that one though. That's alright. Now, last time I mentioned I do sometimes put a skewer in things. And or I was definitely contemplating what it would be like to use one of my tongue depressors. But I'm getting to a point where I'm not going to worry about it pretty quick. You can also take the card when it's got paint on it and squish it, which leaves behind interesting patterns. And also, of course, spreads the paint out. I'm not unhappy with that so far at all. Where's my orange? I'm being called to orange. Not a lot, just a little. I have some true silver. I'm definitely contemplating whether I'm going to use some of that or not. This is the pink diamond again. I guess I'm feeling pretty close to being done. Just keep using the beautiful colors from Colour Arte, Prizm Pours and Primary Elements. I don't think I have ever felt less confused about painting than when I'm using the Colour Arte colors. I just keep dabbing away, moving colors from one place to another. Adding a mark here and there with the color I steal. Loving the colors that are showing through from behind. And the patterns. No guilt there whatsoever. That needed to happen a long time ago. Actually, this is just perfect timing, so. I do want to take one of my sticks and see what'll happen. If I put some stripes, I could go crossways too. I like what the residuals do. They just add to everything. And when there's a puddle of paint, I pick it up. That means I've got 3 minutes left. And I like what I'm doing. I'm not sure I want to do as much of it as I started out doing in the center. But I definitely want to do a little bit more. Especially to break up those little blob lines. Now if I had a dip dish, I could just put it right in there. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Now I have 2,700 videos, and they're organized by topic and genre. And you can find them on my YouTube channel by going to playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. I do like the stick straightens out some of my less straight lines. I do like those cross lines too. I just don't want to use the same size to do that. I want a smaller version. I've just about got this exactly how I want it. I might work on it for a few minutes afterwards, but I don't think so. I think I'm pretty happy. I do want to grab a smaller stick. And I've got one. So I'll just grab a smaller stick. Tell you guys I love you. You inspire the heck out of me. I post at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, pretty much 7 days a week, at least for now. Your PayPal donations help keep me buying art supplies and bringing video tutorials to you. I think I could have gone too far, but I think I'm still okay. As she goes further still, which is probably not advisable at this point. But I do love what I have. And now I have a pair of paintings I did on the same day, recycled paintings. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I'm going to try and shimmer this at you really quickly. I don't know if I can actually get enough lights out for you to see much of anything, but I'll try. Yeah, that's fun. I like it. I think the first one is still my favorite. But that could change tomorrow easily. Oh, my camera battery is going to die. Yeah, I like the way it looks from above too. Alright, I'll see you guys anon. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for your kind words and your comments. If you check out my website, it's on the link tree along with Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out @gmail.com. If you shop my Amazon link, it helps me out. My 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Volumes 1 and 2 are the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. My paint pouring recipes are underneath the video. I love you guys. My community board will show you tomorrow's video most times. Please ask questions if you'd like to. I will see you anon. I do sell my artwork and I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I got it all in. If you need anything, just ask. I love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out.